Good afternoon, this is Mike with Kelton's Plumbing out here on Gull Street. I want to show where we're at. Here at the main 3-inch stack. Have not been inside the home. Starting down here, going down the 3-inch cast iron vent. On down. Okay. We hit looks like a combo right there. Try and make that turn. Got some scale build up there. No big deal. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this out as far as we can. If anyone shows up here to the home, I'm gonna have them run some water down this. Might do this video in 2 parts because of that. I'll get a little clearer there. Do not see any two-way cleanouts in the front of this home. You got some channeling here. Got some scale build up. Okay. Looks like a property drop right here. Yep. Okay. Looks like I dropped into the city right there. Cast iron going down. Pulling back here. We started at approximately 65 feet. Notice in the bottom left-hand corner we do have channeling built up. Channeling is the bottom of the cast iron pipe. See the water's holding? It's actually worn the bottom of the cast iron pipe out. Channeling, commonly known as Grand Canyoning. The rest of it is scale buildup, happens in cast iron pipes. Kind of see that on the upper left-hand corner now of it. That there is just some toilet paper. Channeling lets water hold. It's wearing out the cast iron pipe. Some scale buildup on the top. This is a proponent for a spray coating and brushing or a structural liner. I'd recommend a 2-way cleanout installed in the front yard. Pulling back here again, a little more waste. Good view here of scale buildup in there. Those appear to almost be wipes. Not up here, those are. Do not recommend wipes in any sewer system. Definitely do not recommend them in cast iron. Pipe a little better condition in this area. Could be extended on by a D-scale. More wipes. See, the wipes don't fully flush down, and that's when they can create issues. So top of the screen there, the bottom of the pipe as this rolls up through. That right there is a combo, so that's connecting on from another location. Could be a secondary bathroom, a laundry, a kitchen. I believe this is a 2-bathroom house looking at the vent stacks. I've not been inside the home. Pulling back here though. Pulling back. Okay, this here is heavier scale buildup. That needs to be descaled and flushed out at the bottom of that combo. Descale is utilizing a specialized machine known as a chain knocker, a descale machine, commonly also known by the brand that invented it, Picote, P-I-C-O-T-E, or Picote. We are now coming up vertically up the main vent pipe. We do have a clean out in the backyard. Looks like a kitchen. this from the roof though. Okay, again, there's our van down there. Just want to show where we are. Now, I'm going to keep this video going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk over to a 2-inch stack here, more in the middle of the home. 2-inch roof jack. This is now on the back side of the pitch. So let's see what's going on here, if we can get anything. Going down this cast iron vent stack. Looks like a sanitary tee has been changed out to ABS from right there to there, and then back to cast iron. As we now drop into the bottom. Okay, we notice here, remember earlier I said that's a combo that we connected? It appears to be this combo right here. This is back into the line we've already seen. This comes up right here. Do some more channeling, holding a little bit, and that's where that's wrapping around. See the scale build up, channeling here on the bottom, which is in the upper side of this screen right now, kind of wider and lighter. This is not a self-leveling camera head, so it rotates through. We're now back into the combo of the bathroom, back up the vertical. Might be another drop right there. Now into that ABS portion. We do have an 1.5-inch vent right near us too. My camera can't make an 1.5-inch vent turn at the bottom. I just want to show which one. Whoops. I was on that one, not the 1.5 inch. Okay. Yeah. That concludes this video. I'm going to get this uploaded.